Khudafis. Right, so there is actually an idea that we are gonna go and do. Another place that we are gonna go and visit. I ordered a taxi and it should arrive any minute. I think it should arrive in the other side, so I need to cross the street. And this one is the Tower of Silence. That's where we're going. I mean, can you beat the title of Tower Fire Temple to Towers of Silence? I love it. Anyway, let's check it out. The taxi driver should be here momentarily and then we'll continue this journey together. This video is not over yet. There must be something good left to do. All right, there's my taxi. Salam.
Salam.
Off we go to the Tower of Silence.
Yes.
How are you?
Thank you.
Very nice. All right, all sorted. We're off. All right, we made it to the Tower of Silence. Let's go in. And there is the entrance. Salam. Mamnoon.
Irani.
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 Mamnoon. Khudafis. And of course we pay the local price because brown people finally get privileges in this country. Oh my god, of course, man. Oh, I am so dumb. I did not start this from the very beginning. I should have started from the very beginning. Salam. And yes, entry fee is 150,000 riyal, which is it's actually 15 toman. Man, comparison to that scam over there, I put 1 million and this is 150. That was a local price and I appreciate it. And we are gonna explore this together. Now that put a smile on my face, of course, and I do not feel bad, not even a drop about it. I'm actually very proud of it. But here we are in. This is so wild, like, and I'm stalling by the way because it's a bit far. There's quite a walk from the entrance to this space. Have a look. Wow. Tower of Silence. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna have a small tiny hike there. So what is this about though, right? Oh, also by the way, taxi ride through Snap. Sometimes it's working with me, sometimes it's not on my phone. Snap is definitely 100% the most recommended taxi app in the country. Unfortunately, if you hail a taxi here, the prices is absolutely ridiculous and the negotiation would be even more ridiculous. But no matter how much you negotiate, they're still gonna rip you off. The app works extremely well. It avoids that hostile situation with taxi drivers and it just tells you immediately how much it is you'll be paying, and it's always a fair price, you know, for both parties, for them and also for the passenger. But let's get to see this sign here. Since the Tower of Silence used to be located in distant places far away from the village, the family and relatives of the deceased had to walk for a couple of hours to get here and thus needed a place to stay in and take a rest. See, those are like, you know, wind catchers, and there's probably either an entrance or I can imagine like something underground here, isn't it? Doesn't look like there's an entrance. Let's go over that side as well. But while we are here, oh man, oh look at that. Look where I am. Don't worry, we're going downstairs. Of course we're going downstairs. What's wrong with you? Wow, what the hell is this? You know, this reminds me of a previous videos while exploring Yazd, old Yazd city. I got to see these stairs. It's very similar to it, all right? And at the very end, I can see, I don't know if it's coming on camera, but I can see it's actually a wall. So there's not much here beside this. But as we read, I think they used to bury here people or something. I don't know. But that's it. There are more stairs here we can go down, but there's no point. But I love this, huh? It's actually breezy as well. Like it's Yazd is the temperature here since I arrived. Yesterday was extremely cold, but today, and raining yesterday. But today you can see like blue skies and sunshine. It's warm-ish, you know. It's warm, but it's cold as well. Like you need to layer up. Anyway, where are we going now? I want to work my way like this, you know. It's quite a large space as well. I want to check out this place here. Oh, look at this here. What is that? Oh yeah, this is absolutely my element. This is what I love exploring. But there isn't much. There isn't much. Like it's also broken, right? Like, are we like underground? We're not underground, no. Are we? I'm going different directions, by the way. Let's get out of here. There's a lot to explore. There are a few places like, you know. I want to go there. This looks tempting. And there's a door there. There's an entrance here. And we'll go and check out that. Oh my god, there's so many things like to see here. You know? This is like Cappadocia. Or Cappadocia of Iran. Oh, there's not much here. Yeah. And the same. All right, what are we gonna get into next? But everything like we're looking at is old, but of course here, those are new fences. All right, don't worry, I'm leaving the best to last, I think. Like we're investigating all this now, but look at this for a view. Right, so I just have explored this here. There's not really much, all right? And maybe we'll do that one on the way back and we'll explore this one because I'm gonna go around and the temple is there and there as well. So that looks or sounds like a good plan. All right. So not sure what we're looking at here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna go back to the sign and I want to read. I need to understand. I want to understand this. This is actually quite interesting. Unlike the the fire temple, this is worth it. Yeah. It's kind of worth it, yeah. All right, let me make it there and I'll see what I can understand from it. I went to the sign and I checked it out. There is not much information. What I understood is they're funeral, basically. But there are some places here where they're considered to be also like kitchen, hall, you know, I think like where the people who are visiting the deceased, you know, they can chill also in some areas. Now, it's not explained properly if this is like probably like the funerals, because it does make sense to me. And then above here could be the hallway, you know, like the hall, the kitchen, things like that. Like it kind of makes sense in a way, right? All this is very beautiful, but we are about to, because they're all more or less the same. Like you can see it. Look, like over there looks exactly where I am. This here looks like that. Looks like that. Looks like that. We don't want to just like continue just, you know, moving from one building to another. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start climbing those stairs. These ones here, all the way to the top, and let's check out what this place is like. And then of course we're going for a mini hike over there. Let's go for it. Here we go. Nice stone stairs. Oh man, they're salam.
Salam.
How are you?
Thanks, and you?
Very, very good, brother. Khudafez. Huh? I don't understand.
Really? Where are you from?
Iran.
Iran? It's
No,
hard
no.
to speak in
No,
Persian.
I'm from Ireland.
Really?
Yeah.
You look Iranian.
Yeah. I get it. Of
I'm
course.
surprised that you said that you are from Anderton. Really?
Yeah, seriously. I don't speak any Farsi, really. They told me also I look Yazdi.
Ah.
You know,
And this is
special
the first
Yazdi.
trip of you in Iran or no?
Sorry?
This is the first trip of you
Oh, first trip, yeah.
in Iran.
Yes.
And which cities did you visit
I have
before?
been to Tabriz,
Uh-huh.
Tehran,
Uh-huh.
what else? Kashman.
Kashan.
Oh, Kashan, sorry.
Kashan.
Kashan, yes, sorry.
It's near Tehran.
Yes, and Isfahan,
Isfahan.
Shiraz.
Aha, you
and
have
now
been in
Yazd.
Shiraz.
Yeah.
Which city was more interesting for you?
Oh, I think all of them.
Yeah, all of them have
Yeah.
their own history.
Yeah, but
For us, we're from Iran and we're from Tehran. And sometimes we have vacation, visit the city of Iran. And for us, Shiraz, for me, I don't know about my friends, Shiraz is the best and the historical city in Iran.
Shiraz. I just came from Shiraz, and I agree. It is historical, yeah. But for me, because I'm traveling, so every city is different. I love Shiraz a lot. Isfahan is one of my favorite as well, and I'm loving Yazd as well.
Yes.
But you look at it from different perspective,
Uh-huh.
you know, because you're a local and you're speaking with the people, the language, and you understand the history and the culture. For me, everything is new.
Yeah, of course. You know, each city in Iran has its own history for a part of history in Iran.
Yeah.
For example, Shiraz go back to 2000 and 500 years ago, the history of 2,500 years ago. Yazd go back to, I think, maybe 1,000 years ago.
Yeah.
I think the oldest city in Iran maybe is
Yazd.
Shiraz.
Oh, Shiraz?
Yeah. The old time and in ancient, the dead bodies from the city, it is far from the main city. They bring their dead body here for the graving, you know. And this is the place that's called in Persian dakhme.
Which means?
It's dakhme means dark and a small place.
A big hole.
Yeah.
A big hole.
Maybe a big hole that it is dark and small.
Right.
Yeah.
But why they used to bury them here? Why?
Because here is far from the city
Right.
and it is in the heights, you know. It is the tall place.
Okay. So they didn't build all this to bury the people? It was just there?
Yes. They build this for only bury the people.
Okay.
The dead people, yes.
Okay. Thank you for the explanation. I'm gonna go and see it now.
Okay.
Okay?
We are here if you have any work or any...
Thank you. You're probably one of those locals in Iran that I have met so far who speaks amazing English. You know, in comparison to, of course, my guide in Tehran were amazing English, but that's their job. you know.
Okay. Have a good journey.
Khodafez, thank you. What a lovely people. All right, let's continue. We're going up, still getting more information as we go as well, and we want to get to the first one, to the top, and then of course to the second one afterwards. But take a moment and see that view. Oh my god, incredible. Right, here we are. That's it. We're going in. That's exciting, actually. Ooh. I'll read this in a second, but this is it. And there's the hole here. Let's have a look. Right, this was very interesting. I have made the shot a little bit long enough for you guys to be able to pause the video and take a screenshot if you are interested in reading it. But right now, I'm gonna go to the top here and also have a look and check it out and see what's it like. And then that's it. We'll put an end to this video then. Not much. It's almost the end of the day as well. You can tell from the colors, sunset is upon us. My God, what a view. Very beautiful. Here we are on the way up to the tower. This is like the main one in comparison to this one. They look a lot similar, to be fair. This one is just much higher. It's gorgeous here. Very nice. Right, let's climb. I love this actually. This fire of temple and all that. Nah. It's worth it. Here is worth it. Like, it's good. Getting closer. Up all the way. Wow. The view is incredible. Oh my god. Whew. It's a good bit of a hike, like, you know. It's like this. Unplanned. Just the way how it's supposed to be. Oh. Let's go in. We've made it. Yeah. So they were burying people here, and it has something to protect from the elements. But burning the dead was not really good for them because it kills the soil. That's why they used to bring them up here far away from the, you know, and also far away from the city. That's why all this place here has been built. But this is it. Not much more into it, and I think it is a very interesting place definitely to visit. And I will put an end to this video right now. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up. Helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.